Hello everyone. In the last video we talked about programming and how computers follow instructions. In this video we will explore the difference between software and hardware. Understanding this distinction is important because software and hardware work together to make your computer function. Let's start with the hardware first. Basically, hardware is anything in a computer that you can physically touch. For example, your keyboard, monitor, mouse, etc. If you can touch it, it's hardware. Software on the other hand is exact opposite. You cannot touch softwares. Let's take an example from the human body. Hardware is like a body. You can touch it. Software is like the mind or feelings. It exists but you cannot touch it. Suppose you click on a video on a YouTube. What happens? The software understands your action. It tells the hardware what to do. The screen shows the video. The speakers play the sound. So you are always seeing a combination of both software and hardware working together. Here is the most important thing to remember. Hardware without software is useless and software without hardware cannot run. They depend on each other. Hardware is basically physical parts and software is instructions or programs. Together they can make your computer function. That's it for the video. If you have any doubts, let me know in the comment box. In the next video we will explore what is programming language. That's where you will start stepping into the real coding. See you in the next video.